All right, question that all my customers ask me all the time when they call about a broken spring. Dude, I really need to change the other one. You want to save some money. I get it. You only want to do one. But keep in mind, both the springs are the same age. So let's say we only do one. The other one's probably going to break within like 2, 3 weeks, 1 month, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, so this brand is from, I don't know, let me see, maybe up here somewhere. Hold on. This one is from 2011. So how many years is that? Exactly. You want to do both of them. Don't be shit. Now I'm gonna show you how to get this done. For those of you who are ship and you don't like to call people, that way you don't waste our time you can try this at home if you want to. It's up to you. If you die, it's not my fault. I'm sorry. Anyway, so the first thing you want to do is find the spring size. Most of the time it's printed right here. It's labeled. You can see 243 times 2 by 28. 243s. It's a pair of 243s. It's a wing rated door. We are here in Port Arthur, Texas. So once you get the size, all you gotta do is go online, bam, 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 find these set of springs that is the same size. So let's see. So let's find out how much are the 243 is online. Say if you buy it from one of these companies. I guess I don't have any signal. Anyways, let's just hit right here, shopping. So a pair of 243 is right here. It says 215. Right here it says 99. I'm assuming it's 99. Port spring plus shipping. Now see this, they'll sell you the winding bars right there. But even if you buy this, you're still gonna need a vice grip. You're still gonna need your 9/16, 7/16, which I don't really use. I'd rather use the wrench to tighten the screws right here on the springs and on the drums as well. And that's about it. $298, $329. Buy whatever you want. Now keep in mind that if you do this yourself, the spring breaks, and you're gonna have to do it yourself. Take them out, and deal with whatever warranty those companies are gonna give you. So if you're that cheap, you can buy them online and do it yourself. So I'll show you right now, real easy. So the first thing you want to do is take off the tension on the other spring, the one that is not broke. Obviously, there's no tension on the other one. So I already showed a few videos how to do this, so I'm not gonna show you this time. Or maybe I'll show you just in case. All right, so let's put your winding bar in there. There we go. Okay, so now we got the tension off over here. All we got to do is take off this bolt right here, so we can start taking off the old springs. Now we got the bolts off. What we're gonna do is just slide this slider over. Sometimes this shit gets stuck. You got no gloves, whatever. Slide the other one over to the other side. There's different ways of doing this. A lot of people just love to remove this and bring the whole pipe, the whole torsion tube down. I don't like to do that. There's different types of center brackets. There's one that doesn't have this right here, where it's really easy for the torsion tube to just come off, so you can take both springs out from one side. But in this case, you gotta do one side first and then the other one. I don't like to bring down the whole torsion tube unless we're replacing it. In this case, this customer doesn't want to, even though they might need to, but whatever. Now I need to remove, well, not remove, but loosen up there's 2 bolts right here for the drums. A lot of people like to just take off the whole hand bearing plate, but me personally, I don't do it unless I have to. So whatever, here you go, it's completely loose. So now we're gonna go to the other side. Okay, so here we are on the left side. Same thing, loosen up. Okay, so now all we have to do is just kind of slide the torsion tube over to the right side so we can start taking out this one first. See how it's completely off the end bearing. Get the drum out. Now we get the torsion spring. I might have to put my phone down, man. I need the other hand, sorry. Anyway, but you get it. Just take it out, bam, slide it off. There's the other piece. Yeah. Let's go get the new springs. So we got it's red. Get the left side right here. Let's go. Real quick, don't be this guy. Don't put that grease on the drum. We don't need it. That's unnecessary. Okay, now we got both of the new springs in. All we gotta do is bring them in, put the bolts, good to go. Okay, now comes the final part. So make sure you tie these 2 bolts again. Put your cable back right there. Right there. Then you start turning the wheel with the other hand. Just put your vice grip right here. The whole tension on the cable, and we're gonna go over on the other side and do the other drop. Same thing. Put your cable right there and wrap it around it. All set. Now all we got left to do is put tension on the springs and good to go. That's it. All right, you're welcome, man. Don't die.